Right guys, Austen Thomson here. I'm going to be working on Shane's hair today. So she's got this beautiful natural silver hair. She's a real ambassador for growing out colour and wearing it really well. We've got a couple of treatments that we're going to do. One is a detox treatment, and that is going to remove all the impurities and any product build-up on the hair. And then we're going to do a secondary treatment that is the Fibreclinix, and that is going to repair all the carbon chains in the hair and make it feel like brand new hair. How's that sound?
Brilliant.
So this is the Blonde Me Detoxifying System Bonding Shampoo. So this will prep the hair ready for the treatment. So we'll give it a couple of really thorough shampoos with this. Really good for lifting impurities out of silver hair or blonde hair or anything that might take on like product build up, maybe after you've been on holiday, or if you've been pastel toning your hair quite a lot. This is a really good way to lift some of that tone out and make it feel really nice and fresh and bright. So this is the Keratin Restore Bonding Mask by Schwarzkopf, and then we add the Detoxifying System. This is a powder. We put 25 grams of the treatment in. And then a little sachet. And then it gives this sort of grainy, gritty paste, which will help to detox the hair and lift out all the impurities. So don't take a lot of time taking sections, just get it on the hair and then rake it through. Just spend a little bit of time working into the hair and rubbing it, exfoliating the hair, and that will help to lift out the impurities. We're going to leave that on for like 10 minutes, and while we do that I'm going to prepare the Fibreclinix treatment that we're going to do. So the Fibreclinix treatment is the treatment that's going to repair all the carbon chains in the hair. So we'll mix that up. We'll mix up the one for coarse hair, and then we'll mix up the keratin booster in it, and that will just make this hair look totally amazing. So when you are working with silver hair and you've grown it out, it's really important that you look after the quality of it and make it look like it's a deliberate choice. Alright, the Fibreclinix bonding treatment for coarse hair, so we're going to use 25 grams of this, which will look like that. Then this is the Fibreclinix Keratin Booster, so we're going to put 5 wee pumps of that in. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that looks pretty good, and I will see you in the next video.